that fine?
That's great.
So, no. You guys don't understand. Like, I'm a loser, okay? I'm a loser. And, like, if you're gonna laugh at me...
I'm not laughing at you.
Well, it seems like you are. So,
No,
I would never do nothing like that to you.
Okay,
but I gotta get out of here.
Okay, nobody's laughing at you. Nobody said nothing to you. We asked you what you wanted.
I want to help you.
Help me do what?
Not much it is.
I'm sorry. What the fuck? Nobody asked you to do nothing, sir. Like, I asked you what you wanted to eat, or if you wanted something, and you got pissed off.
No. Don't say you got pissed off. I never get pissed off.
Okay, well, you got whatever it is you're now, that's what you got. So, if I can help you with something, I'll help you. If I can't, what would you like me to do?
I would like for you to stick by my side. That's what I want you to do.
For me to what?
I want you to stick by my side. That's what I want you to do.
Sure.
Will you stick by my side?
Oh, sure. What am I sticking by your side for? For what?
Because you're a normal person and I trust you. That's why.
Oh, okay.
So what, you're just gonna say you hate me? Is that what's gonna go on there?
Did I say I hated you?
You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand.
I really don't, buddy. Like, I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say to you right now. Dude, 1 second.